Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to change your phone number on Facebook. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is head over to the settings. And once you're here, click Account Center. Then click Personal Details. Then Contact Info. Then click Add New Contact at the bottom. Select Add Mobile Number. Now just enter your new mobile number. And once you're done with that, select your Facebook account by ticking the checkbox. Then hit Next. Now enter the confirmation code that was sent to your new number. And click Next. Then click Close right after. Now click on your old number. Then click Delete Number. Then Delete. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.